Hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. It is Thursday afternoon. It is chilly outside. Hope you're all staying warm in there in your houses, and hopefully you're getting some exercise in during the day when it's sunny out. Hello everybody, I'll give you a few minutes to join me here. I am going to be making a pumpkin margarita today. So something for the fall, something to bring you into Thanksgiving time. It is a great little treat and a fun little thing to make. So as everybody's joining me, hello, hi Cheryl, hi everybody. I'll be making a pumpkin margarita today. And let's see, we have a couple of cool things going on this weekend, so I'll just share those with you. Tonight is Thursday. It is jazz night here at Aroma Thyme. Jazz starts at 6:30, ends at about 9:30. So please come on in. I'll be here tomorrow night. Oh, I'm sorry. Is it hard to hear me? Let's see if I guess I'm. Let's see if I can get it up here. Okay. Is that better, Cheryl? Just give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry. I'm talking a little bit lower. Hopefully you can hear me now. So I'll be making a pumpkin margarita today. It is Thursday, it is jazz night. Jazz starts at 6:30 tonight, 6:30 to 9:30. Albie is playing here tomorrow night at Aroma Thyme. He starts at 6:30 as well. And Monday we have 4 wines in a dish for $35. It is Finger Lake wines. If you are watching live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on replay, put hashtag replay. It's a little better. Awesome. Thanks, Cheryl. Sorry for being, sorry, just a loud noise. Courtney's making some drinks. We have a table in already tonight, so I apologize. So in the meantime, let's see. I am going to put a sugar ring on my glass for my margarita. Rimming the glass with sugar. There we go. Hopefully that's better. A little bit better. Perfect. Thank you, Cheryl. I'm sorry I'm a little bit lower today. I put some ice in my cup, in my shaker. And we've made some homemade pumpkin sauce, some pumpkin agave. I'm going to add a little bit of that. Then I'm going to make a margarita. So it is 2 ounces of Pueblo Vieja tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and let's see, I already put the agave in, or the sweetener, triple sec, and lime juice. So we got some lime juice. Hi everybody, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Tonight it is jazz night here at Aroma Thyme, so come on in for some jazz. Tomorrow night we have Albie. And I like my margaritas on the rocks, so I'm going to put some rocks in here. Just for yours? Yeah. And I'm going to pour my pumpkin margarita into my glass. Sorry, it's a little distracting. I should have been on a few minutes earlier today. I apologize. Look at that color. Ooh, it smells good. Splash of soda on top. And there you have it, a pumpkin margarita. Please follow Marcus on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. He's doing sips, Aroma Thyme sips. So he's talking for like a minute or so about some fun, cool, interesting things here at the bar. And I'm going to try to get on more and do my Facebook Lives. So hopefully everybody is having an awesome weekend. Again, today's our last day. If you would like to reserve for Thanksgiving turkey to be picked up, we're only open on Thursday from 11 to 2 for pickup only. Yum. I'm going to taste it. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's got some spice. That is a really nice spicy margarita for the holidays. It would be perfect for Thanksgiving if you're looking for a cocktail to make for Thanksgiving. Courtney made this awesome pumpkin syrup. Courtney, what was in the syrup? Pumpkin puree, water, and a little bit of sugar. So.
And
clove and nutmeg?
Yeah.
Nutmeg and cinnamon or no cinnamon?
Yeah, a little
bit of cinnamon. So that's easy to make. She just boils it on the stove. She puts water, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, clove, and a little bit of sugar in there, and